Hello everyone, in this video I'm going to show a step-by-step tutorial on how to create a Target account. So first we're going to go to the Target app. You guys can find it in the App Store or Play Store. Then here we're going to click on sign in or create account since it's our first time. So here you guys could either sign up using your email or mobile phone number. So I personally chose to sign up with my email. So after you guys enter your email, you're going to click on continue. Then you're going to insert your first name, your last name, and optionally you can insert your mobile number too. Then you guys could choose to create an account with passkey or password, but I personally chose password since this is the first time. So after we enter the password, depending on the criteria listed there, we're going to click on create account. Then they're going to send us a verification code via our email. We're going to insert that. Then we're going to click on verify. Then we're going to insert our location since they want the store. So I personally choose California. Then you guys are going to enter the location you're at so that they could pinpoint the Target store near you. Then you're going to click on got it. Then as you can see, our account has been created. You guys could enter a subscription. If not, you guys could click on maybe later. So as you can see, we've created our account. So this is how you do it. I hope you guys like this video. Subscribe for more, like for more, share for more. I hope to see you again. Goodbye.